Hello everyone. This is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and we're going to make a quick video. A Facebook friend of mine, Allison, had sent me some Rodan & Fields samples, and we were going to try some of them on Lexi and I. I've already used the lip serum, and it feels so good and wonderful. And one of the samples that she gave me is the Daily Cleansing Mask. And so we're going to apply that. It is a clay mask. Look here. So we're going to apply that, especially in her T-zone. Teenagers tend to have some pimples in there. So we're going to do just a light coat. It's hard because usually I am behind the massage chair. So the instructions say to massage a quarter size amount onto dry skin, allow product to dry approximately 2 minutes, and rinse thoroughly with warm water. So we're going to let it dry for a minute. Allison, she is a associate, I guess you could say, for Rodan & Fields. She's here on Facebook, you guys. For time's sake, we're going to take our washcloth, and it looks to be about dry. We've not quite let it set in for 2 minutes, but it says the right ingredients, right formulations to redefined. It gently exfoliates and draws impurities from pores with our creamy kaolin clay-based cleansing mask. So that is the Rodan & Fields. Even though I do use the Lancome, I'm always open to try new products and do reviews on them. So we're going to, since that looks really dry, even though it has not been 2 minutes yet, look at me a little bit. We're going to, we would rinse, if we were at the sink, we would of course rinse this off. But because we're on the massage chair in the beauty room, how does your skin feel?
Feels more soft and.
Can you tell it's like drawing your skin out a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
We'll take a look at your pores because it's supposed to redefine your pores. So let's clean all of this. Especially in our T-zone ladies, we tend to have more blackheads. Ooh, tickle, tickle. Oh, it feels really good, doesn't it? Okay, we're going to let that dry for a minute. The second sample that she sent is the foundation sample thing. So we've got little sample packs here, and I've got my trusty Estee Lauder brush. And we're going to pick the right tone for Lexi's skin. And it is the Sand 3. So let's peel the sample back. Thought we were peeling. It's kind of harder. My hands are a little bit wet. Hold on, let me get scissors. Okay, that helped a lot. I'm going to take our trusty sponge brush. Let's see. Let's start on your nose, your little T-zone. This is just a sample. So we're going to, it's not really enough to do her whole face. That's a nice color. Look up at me a little bit. Very, very nice. Very nice. That almost matches your skin tone perfectly. And you can tell, ladies, it looks like a matte finish. And it does a really good job of covering the little blemishes. She's got a few. That's always good. Allison, I really do like this foundation. It blends very smooth and creamy. Does it feel smooth on your skin? Wow. Look at me. It's really good. Let's do under eye. Cut for a minute. Nice. Really, really liking the Rodan and Fields. It is called the Radiant Defense Foundation. Whoops. Thank you, ladies, for watching this evening. As always, KimsBeautyBizz.com for a lot of makeup product how-tos.